Welcome all. This is our lecture 42, and in this lecture we will cover the topic creating and editing charts. You all have listened about charts like pie charts, bar charts, line charts, etc. What is the use of these charts? If anyone asks you, then your answer will be that these charts are used to clearly visualize a particular data in a very simple manner. Okay, so as we are working with the numbers, we are working with the records in Excel. So this is very easy to manipulate and creating the charts. So let's start our today's topic. First of all, the main question is how can we insert a particular chart? To insert a particular chart, you can simply select the data. First of all, you have to select the data which you want to represent in the form of a chart. Okay, without selecting the data you cannot create, you cannot insert these particular charts. According to your selected data, this will represent this selected data into chart form. The chart style you can choose. This could be a bar chart, pie chart, line chart, or any type of chart. Clear? Just look at on your screen here. If you want to prepare a chart, as we have a data of 6 months, oh, we have here we have months, and here we have 4 plants, and we have some numeric data with us. Clear? And we want to represent this particular data in chart form. So first of all, we have to select this particular data as we have select this. Okay, after selecting this one, we have to click on insert button. Okay, as you will click on the insert, then you will get a toolbar like this: insert cells, pictures, insert table, pivot table, many types. And here you will get the charts. Okay, the chart option you will get here, and from here you can also select you want 2D chart, 3D chart, 2D bar chart, pie chart, line chart, which one you want to create. Okay, after selecting anyone, as you will select anyone, a particular chart will appear at your open sheet. Okay, we will see this in the upcoming slides, and from here you can directly copy it or reuse it. The next one is modifying chart or altering the chart, or how to change the particular chart. To add and delete any label, you can simply click on our data, and as we have discussed, this particular chart will be based on your prepared data. As your data will represent in the table form, same as in a different form, in the chart form it will represent. Okay, but if you want to edit a chart properties, then you can insert, you can open and go to the chart tools, and by this you can change the chart type, data as well, location, use of chart tools, design, ribbons. As in a particular chart, we the user mostly interested to change the labels, as here our months and the units, then we can interchange these also. Okay, here if we want to change the design of a particular chart, then after creating and after inserting a particular chart, you can click on the design button from the menu bar. You can click on the design and you can choose the particular chart style, chart design as per your need. Okay, or you can simply change the colors also. You can take the quick layout of a chart. Okay, and you can add any element with a particular chart. Clear? By clicking on design tool. As we have discussed, we can change the shape, style and color of our particular chart by clicking on the design and format ribbon. We have design and format menu also. By using format menu, we can also change the, or we can modify a particular chart. Now you can check, this is a bar chart which we have prepared by the data. We have here our months and these are the values. These are the quantity of product which was produced every month. As we have 4 plants, then all these 4 plants are displayed in a separate, with a separate color. This is our plant 1, 2, 3 and 4 for January, as well another plant 1, 2, 3, 4 for February. So if anyone by the chart, we can easily check, we can easily make our understanding about the data. Many answers we can find from a particular chart, as if anyone say that in which month the plant 1 produce the minimum amount of commodity, then by seeing plant 1 we can say this one, January was the minimum amount. Okay, this is the advantage of charts. And we can also modify, we can also change the color of these particulars, we can change the style of this bar chart to the particular pie chart. We can, as per need, as per the user need, you can change, you can modify your data. So class, this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.